Your car guy. Today we're going to change the trunk struts on the 2000 Jaguar XK8. Now this is a really simple job and it's really inexpensive, but we're getting to where this trunk just doesn't want to hold itself up. These struts are completely worn out and it's only going to take us just a couple of minutes to change them. The struts are not expensive. I ordered them from Amazon. You can see here's our brand name, the Boxy, and they are made in China, but for I think 20-25 bucks, this is going to be a really simple and easy upgrade. All we've got to do to remove the strut is there's a little groove and a clip right here that we can stick a screwdriver into, and we'll pry that clip up, top and bottom. That clip's what retains the strut onto the little nub there. I'll zoom in and give you a better look at that. So you see this little metal clip right here, and then there's a groove right behind it that this screwdriver is a little wide to fit into. I'm going to get a narrower screwdriver. Now what I'm going to recommend is that you do one side at a time. That way it's going to hold the trunk up for you and you're not going to have to do as much work. But we'll pry out our top and bottom clips here and get them out of our way. Sometimes it can be a little bit finicky to just catch the clip. That's what the clip looks like. Then I'm just going to lift to take some pressure off, pop out the old strut. Now the new strut, I don't have to pull the clips out. They're already pre-installed and I can just work them right onto the ball. You may have to rotate it slightly to get it lined up. And there we have it. Very simple. And now we'll go do the other side. I'm gonna have my new strut ready to go. I'll go ahead and open it, get it out of the bag before I take the old one off. And just leave it laying here. But now that I've got a good strut on the one side, it shouldn't really give me any trouble getting this strut off. Again, I'm just prying out my clips. Once I have them out, I can simply pull this old strut out and the new strut. Now, you'll see that I'm having to kind of turn this up at an angle because it doesn't want to go straight on because the head's kind of hitting the trunk. But that's okay. Not any kind of real hard work. And there we have it. Now the struts are on. That deck lid wants to support itself just fine. So there we have it. This actually was a $13 repair, but you can see that the new struts, once the trunk is right there, it'll pull itself right up. This is your car guide. Please like and share the videos and subscribe to the channel.